Why do Python developers write star args and double star kwargs? Look at this code. Def function, star args, double star kwargs. Be honest, how many times have you seen this and just copied it without understanding it? Why the stars? Why these weird names? And what do they actually do? Here's the interesting part. Star args lets a function accept many values without knowing exactly how many you will pass. For example, 1 value, 3 values, 10 values. Python collects them all into one place. And double star kwargs does something similar, but for named values, like name, age, email. Instead of collecting simple values, it collects labeled values. So the easiest way to think about them is this. Star args collects extra values. Double star kwargs collects extra named values. And once you understand that, a lot of Python code suddenly becomes much less scary. Now I want to know, did args and kwargs confuse you when you first saw them? Write your answer in the comments.